Yeah, it was lightning, but it looked like the top of the trees were all lit up.
Oh, great. Well, it's starting to get dark so that my camera's having... Whoa! Ah, okay. Yeah. It's starting to get dark enough out that my camera's having...
really getting dark.
My camera's having trouble focusing on stuff.
Yeah, it's getting dark over our heads, too.
Well, I wasn't paying attention. That would be a good thing to be paying attention to.
Pretty dark cloud there.
The lightning is all over.
Thank God for that street light. Otherwise, you wouldn't have any light.
Oh. Right across from you, you mean? Alright.
There's a siren. Did you hear that siren?
No.
There's a siren going off somewhere. It's in the distance, far away.
Oh, maybe that's where Mike went then. Oh, it's going to be dangerous having that tree on those wires like that. The tree is like right on the wires. How did I get away with that? By the way, that's a street light lighting everything up over there. Not the sun. Okay.